I'm Sanjeev Mathur calling on behalf of VC Media. We are at IFSC event. Now on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Ashish Srivastav, National Sales Manager from Real Time. And I would like to understand from him the journey that has been there for PowerTime so far, the vision that they have, and their participation experience at IFSC.
So very good morning. My name is Ashish. I am from Real Time Biometrics, National Sales Manager. I have started my journey in Real Time 3 years back. I have joined as a regional manager and I have promoted till National Sales Manager within the span of 3 years. What Real Time exactly is, Real Time Biometrics is 17 years old company. We have started our journey with the biometrics only, the attendance machine with the basic one. Then step by step we have moved to other verticals also. Like we have developed cameras, we have developed POEs, we have developed routers, we have developed door frame metal detector, we have developed boom barrier, we have introduced flap barriers, turnstile. Whatever the solutions required for access control and for the security purpose, all the solution is available with Real Time itself. When you step into Real Time, you need not to go anywhere because we are coming with the software solutions also and we are coming up with the hardware solutions also. Our vision is to cater all the person who is working, all the dealers who are working with CCTVs and cameras. We have to target those audience into government sector, into retail sector and into the B2B projects. And we are more often focused on international market also. Our showcase in Dubai, we have an office in UK, we are planning our office in South Africa and somewhere else also. So our main objective for Indian market, because this is make in India product, our factory is in Gujranwala. All the products is been manufactured and assembled over there only. It's a huge factory, 300 plus people are working over there. 24/7 they are working and they are providing us the solutions. Right? The thing is, we are more focused to make the product in India, to raise the employment. If 300 people are working, so in near future it will be 500 also. We are planning to we are planning for a solar battery project also in Mathura. We have purchased the land over there. We are developing the factory over there. So we are coming up with several other products also. With the Indian market to cater and with the international market also we are focusing. We are planning that this product which we are making in India should reach at every corner in world. In India also and in world also. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Last but not the least, now is there any roadmap that you have with respect to your organization?
Sir, we have the time. We have planned for 3 years. We have taken our roadmap. We are making our journey so that in the coming 3 years, because we are actively participating in all the exhibitions, except for this security purpose in Chennai also, in Mumbai also, and in Delhi also. From last 7 to 8 years, we are actively participating to showcase our products. And the best part for Real Time is we have Aadhaar-based biometric attendance system that is particularly meant for government. We are the first into the industries coming with the face with finger for Aadhaar biometric device. And the roadmap which we have targeted is 3 years for international market and 1 year for national market for India market.
Great.
Thank you so much, sir.
On behalf of VC Media, I wish Real Time the very best.
Thank you, sir.
And in the coming years, we would like to see them on the international map as well.
Right, sir.
Thank you so much for your time.